Hi guys, it's Mrs.Z. Again, this is exit ticket for Mission 3, Lesson 1, 5th grade. Mrs.Z. Okay, today is 11, 16, 24. There is a exit ticket that says estimate to mark points 0 to 1. These are benchmarks 0 and 1 above the number line, and 0, 6 to 6 below the number line. So what that tells you, the bottom number is 6th. So that means that we will have the whole the whole has 6 equal pieces. If I think about using my centimeters in I can take 2 centimeter to make one space, so that would be good for me. I need 6 equal spaces, so if I skip by 2 centimeters, I should have 6 equal spaces. I can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the first is 0 out of 6, and also it's a benchmark 0. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this needs to be one whole, because that would be a 6 out of 6 pieces that I have. If I have the first piece is 1/6. So if I look, this is 1/6. One more is 2/6. One more is 3/6. 3 out of 6. 3 is a half of a 6. And we can see that we, on both sides from 3/6 to the left, we have 3 equal spaces. To the right, we have 3 equal spaces. So we are in a halfway between 0 and 1. So 3 out of 6, it's on same spot as a 1/2. We can say equivalent fraction as 1/2 is the same as 3/6. Now next is 4 out of 6 pieces. So if I have only this much of the line, I will have 4 out of 6 pieces. If I have one more piece, I will have 5 out of 6 pieces. And if I have one more, I will have 6 out of 6 pieces, which also I will have one whole that represents 6/6. Okay, so that was another part of the question, was use the square below to represent the fractions equivalent to 1/6 using both arrays and equations. Okay, so use squares below to represent the fractions equivalent. So we need to find fractions that are same as 1/6 unit using both arrays and equations. So because this is number line fraction, and now this will be area representation of fractions. So if I needed to make a 6th here, let me see, I could use this is about 1.5 inch, so I'm going to use 1/2 inch measurement to make 3 equal spaces. So that's 3. Okay, I'm gonna do that on the same, this one here, and then also here. So now I label my as being 3, but if I divide each 1/2 inch into 2 pieces, I will be able to make 6 equivalent pieces. So I will have my 6th. Okay, I can use my other ruler to help me. Okay, I will turn my paper like this, and I will make it so I can use parallel lines to make my lines, to divide rectangles into 6 pieces. Okay. Okay, this is my one rectangle with 6 pieces. I make parallel to it, and I can create this. Okay. And this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now each of these represents 1/6. I will highlight my 6th here, and then this one here, and this one here. So the first equation is already given. 1/6 is the same as 2/12. What that means is that I need to cut this each 6th into 2 pieces. So I will make 12 pieces total. So the best way is if I take this and I can find a half of this. So it would be done. This is half and half. It's about right here. That's my half. If I cut it in half, I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. So each piece is 1/12. So when we look, if this yellow part is 1/6, that is also the same as 2/12. 2 out of 12 pieces is the same as 1 out of 6 pieces. 1/6, 2/12. 2/12. Let's see if we can make this one into 3. If I have 1/6, okay, let's see if I did 1/6, and if I multiply 1/6 by 3, which in reality we will divide space into 3 equals parts, we will get equivalent fraction. So now instead of doing, I will do 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, and that will give me 3. I will cut 1/6 into 3 pieces, but I have to cut all whole because even though I don't have this, it represents part of the whole. This is 1/6, but it's also 3 out of, what is it? 3 times 6 is 18 pieces. So one of these is 18 out of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pieces makes a whole. Each represents 118. So 3 18s will make 1/6. We didn't lose area. We just make 1/6 cut into 3 equivalent pieces, and that represents 3 out of 18. That makes 1/6 before. So 1/6 is the same as 3 18s. If I would like to make 1/24, I will cut this shape now into 4 equivalent pieces. So I will cut in half, and then each half will be cut in another half. So if this is my half, okay, but then I will cut half again. It's about right here. So when I cut half and this half again, I will create 4 equivalent pieces. I know that this is 4 and this is 6. If I use my multiplication, 4 times 6 is 24. If you don't know what it is, you can count, or you can say, oh, I know this is 4 and this is 6, so 4 times 6. Even if you don't know what 4 times 6 is, you can decompose 6 into the 5 and 1. We're going to use thinking blocks like little area model. I will have 4 times 5 is 20, and 4 times 1 is 4. So together, 20 plus 4 makes 24, which is 4 times 6 is 24. So we know that this is 1 out of 24 pieces. So how that looks like as a math sentence. So 1/6, if you multiply it, numerator by 4 and denominator by 4, your fraction will not change. It will be just equivalent to 4 24ths. So 1/6 is the same as 4 out of 24 pieces. And that would be your exit ticket grade 5 mission 3 lesson 1. This was Mrs.Z. Thank you for listening.